All right, so some of us had questions about whether or not if I put this swivel on the end of a hose, if it'll actually cause a change in the PSI. So first things first, right? When you look at the diameter, inside diameter of these units, the inside diameter of the swivel is actually greater than the inside diameter of this 3/4 inch actually quiver hose. This is a 1/4 inch Uberflex quiver hose, right? And this is actually larger. So when you look inside, that inside diameter right there that you see is going to be larger. So it's not going to affect the PSI at all. Now, if you're going from larger to smaller, then yes, it'll increase the PSI. But in this case, it won't. All right, so without the swivel, just under 1,000 PSI. With the swivel, just under 1,000 PSI, so no change.